reasons I love BB Frösch chalk painting brushes is when you have areas like this, it's a lot easier to get into these grooves. Now I like to load my brush just a little bit with paint. See how it's kind of glopping up there? I like to move it around as much as possible and keep going until my brush is basically dry. So I'm just gonna swirl it around and get into all of these grooves and keep painting to the point where you almost don't even see any wet paint on there at all anymore. Just keep moving. And this, even though it doesn't look like amazing coverage, see how this doesn't look amazing right here? You're going to get a nice smooth finish for the end result by painting with a little bit more of a dry brush this way.